Chicken artichoke bread bombs. I just grated a whole bunch of fontina cheese. And I have a bowl with some softened cream cheese. So I'll add all of this fontina cheese, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, about a 1/4 cup or so. And of course, a pinch of crushed red pepper flake. All right, now I've got a pretty sturdy spoon because I need to kind of mush, squish all of this together. I want that cream cheese and fontina to just kind of make this creamy base. Alrighty, so I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And now comes the chicken and artichoke component. So rotisserie chicken, shredded. I use just white meat for this. I'm just using canned artichokes that I drained and chopped into small pieces. So this is where you really wanna get your muscles involved until it is one wonderful mixture. That mixture looks great. So it's time to assemble the bread bombs. So I'm using frozen dinner rolls, and I just take the bag out of the freezer and stick the bag in the fridge overnight. I rolled this out about as thin as I could, and I'm gonna grab about a tablespoon portion of the chicken and artichoke mixture, gather up the ends until they all meet, kind of pinch the ends together just to seal, turn it over and kind of pat it until you have this little bread bomb. Okay, these cute little bread bombs are built, so I'm gonna put them in the oven, but first I wanna brush them with egg yolk, and that's gonna help them have a really pretty, shiny outer appearance, and it'll help them bake really nice and golden. Okay, one little sprinkle of Italian seasoning over each one. This just gives it a little extra flavor on the outside. All right, I'm just gonna bake these at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes until they're nice and golden. Look at these. Can you believe those cute little balls of dough resulted in these gorgeous little bread bombs? How cute. I would call this a winner right now, but I really think I need to taste it first. Look at that. Oh, they're so fluffy, cheesy. Oh man. Those might be better than calzones. They are so good.